Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Today, I'll be showing you the beginner route for Wet Dry World and Tiny Huge Island. Afterwards, we'll go through all the stars in a bit more detail. You'll first see the clip for Wet Dry World.
해고 Here we go! Here we go! 해고 Here we go! 해고 Here we go! 해고
So that there was the routing to Wet Dry World. There's a few tricks that I'm going to go into a bit more detail with, but it's pretty straightforward. Once you exit Bowser in the Fire Sea, re-enter it real quickly. The reason for this is because you want to leave Bowser in the Fire Sea to get to the main hall. Long jump up the stairs and put the key in the door. If you jump into the corner here, you'll be able to grab onto the stairs and pull yourself over. But yes, of course, you're allowed to walk around the staircase if you'd rather do that. Now do a jump rollout into the painting. Before we begin, I want to explain the 3 different water levels to Wet Dry World. Depending on where you enter through the painting will depend on the layout of the level. If you enter the painting at the bottom, there will be no water in the level. If you jump into the painting in the middle, you'll spawn with half water. And if you jump into the painting at the top, the level will be full of water. Throughout this run, you won't be entering the painting at the top. Keep note that you want to jump in the painting as low as possible for majority of the time, besides for one of the stars. If for some reason you enter the world at the wrong water level, there's a switch here which will help you empty out all the water. Once you fall down, begin by jumping on the bug and grabbing the 3 coins. Make your way over to the boxes over here and box to open them all up to grab all the coins. Now that you've gotten all the coins, make your way over here in this direction to head to the platform. There's a bug over here at this water level. Whenever he comes across your path, press B to box him. Keep in mind his movement is randomized, so he may not be in the same spot all the time. Now ground pound on the switch and pick up all the blue coins and kill the bug whenever you can. Make your way in this direction towards the box. Now double jump or triple jump up to smash the box. Pick up all the coins it drops and then push this crate to the right. A number should come up. Do a double jump dive up to the platform up here and then push this crate into the wall as well. If you manage to time your triple jump well, you'll be able to jump straight to the top on top of the platform. Now as marked on the screen, you want to do a triple jump wall kick off of that spot. Grab onto the ledge and then pull yourself up. Run around to pick up all the coins and then do a side jump up on top of this platform. Break the box and then pick up all the coins. Now make your way towards that massive purple switch. You'll see that a bunch of blocks spawn. Just climb up it like you normally would. Once at the top, grab the last box and pick up all the coins. This should spawn the star. Long jump over to go to the 5 coins on the edge here. Climb up the steps here and make your way towards the massive purple thing. Run behind him, press B to pick him up, and then throw him. Once he falls, grab the 5 coins that he drops. At this point, go into Mario Cam and make your way towards the platform. It's important that you use Mario Cam because it's going to be hard to cross this platform without it. At the edge of this platform here, just jump off holding onto A and keep your analog stick in the direction that you're currently going. Grab the 5 coins and then pick up the 100 coin star that just spawned. Go through all the dialogue and then jump over to this platform to grab the other star. Go press save and continue and then enter the level with a short hop into the painting. Now our goal here is to get to the top. Press Come
C
over
left
here
as many
and
times
align
as
yourself
possible
to make sure your camera's stuck in as shown on the screen. Your goal is to be in between the slope and the flat surface. Do a small jump on the spot, your double jump and your triple jump up onto the platform. Make sure when attempting this, you're pressing C left as much as possible to lock the camera in the correct angle. I know that jump there may seem tricky, but it's really not. Give it a couple of attempts and if you can't get it done, you can climb it whatever way you want. Make your way over here and hit the purple switch. Climb the bricks that just spawned up to the top. Now you want to make sure you land on the left side of the wooden spot so the platform will come down. Break your fall with a ground pound to destroy the box, and then do a side jump up onto this platform. Here I do some wall kicks all the way to the top to get to the ledge to grab the star. However, I am aware that this timing isn't very easy to pull off, so if you want, you can stand on the wooden platform and let it take you all the way to the top. Go through all the dialogue once again and then enter the level doing a short hop at the bottom. This time when you drop down, head towards this direction here, sit in the corner so it warps you all the way to the top. Once up, jump down and ground pound to destroy the box and pick up the star. Now that you've collected the star, we've only got one more star to go for this level. This time you want to do a big jump up into the middle of the painting to enter the level. This should spawn the level half flooded. Now you want to do a long jump off the bug onto the slope to run all the way up it. Head to the cage area, land on the switch, and jump up the boxes. Now that you're up, you want to do a long jump off the grey caged area on an angle to land on the platform. Once on the platform, hop over from the other platform to the last one to destroy the box and pick up the star. And that's the last star for Wet Dry World. Now yes, I am aware that that long jump there isn't the easiest long jump to do. This is an easier method if you wish to follow this way. Make your way through the path around the side, jump to the platform here, do a side jump up, go to the bridge, get into Mario Cam, cross through to the end of the platform, go across and pick up the star. And that's all there is to Wet Dry World. Next is Tiny Huge Island. We'll play the clip first and then afterwards we'll go through all the stars in a bit more detail.
Go. Hegel. Here we go. Hegel. Here we go!
So that there was a rounding for Tiny Huge Island. First, make your way towards this doorway. Once you're in, long jump through the hallway and then make your way to the left painting. Make your way towards the wall and then long jump over. When attempting this side jump up, you want to be as close to the wall as possible. If you're having troubles getting this down, instead you can come to the pipe over here and then do a backflip over the top. Come to this entranceway and hit the first secret. Long jump over and then land on the ocean to grab the second secret next to the tiny hole. Follow the movement over here to the beach, walking off the wall next to the hole to grab the third secret. You then want to long jump to this platform over here to collect the fourth secret with the hole in the ground. Now begin your triple jump up onto this tree here. Climb up the tree as high as possible, hold your analog stick up, and then do a jump dive up into the platform. Make your way to the middle of the pond to the top, and the last star will spawn. Now there's two different methods to collecting this star. The first one's a bit harder. Go into Mario Cam, walk off the cliff, and then jump at the correct timing to land on top of the platform. This here is ultimately the best way to save time. However, I realize this jump can be rather tricky to get the hang of. So instead what you can do is walk off the cliff to the side instead over here. Jump off the ledge, come around the corner and land on the purple switch. This will spawn the blocks. Walk across it and make your way towards the star. Go through the dialogue and re-enter the painting on the left. You want to follow the same movement as we did last time, however, make your way to the left and hop in the pipe. Once you come up, climb up this ledge here, do a triple jump up the slope to the top bit. Of course this triple jump is optional, you can just climb up the steps normally if you want. Make your way past the purple ball, making sure you don't get grabbed, come to the wooden plank here, long jump over. Please note that the camera moves as you walk past the plank. It may be worth going to Mario Cam mode to stop yourself from falling down. If you do, you only really have two options. The first option is to be swallowed by the fish in the ocean, and the second one is to try to take a green shell up to the top right corner to return back to where you just were. Now climb up the hill and pick up your star. Once you've fallen down, go through the dialogue and enter the painting to the left for the last time. Follow the similar movements as you did the first time, however this time do another long jump to go over to the next platform. Once you spawn out of the pipe, make your way around the ledge, doing side kicks over to kill all the plants. Once you kill this last plant, come over here to the left side of the fence and do a ground pound. If you did this in the right location, the star should spawn on top of you. Congratulations, and that's the end of Tiny Huge Island. An important note to make is make sure you don't fall into the water when attempting to kill these piranha plants. If you do, you'll have to swim to the fish over here to be eaten up by the fish to reset. That's all there is to Wet Dry World and Tiny Huge Island. Be sure to spend a lot of time to practice all the tricks here. Next, I'll see you guys at Tall Mountain and Snowman's Land.